Hello everyone. Today I would share one of my favorite resource in terms of upskilling, especially if you are already a software engineer, then you wanted to upskill on certain production level systems and cloud based engineering, then this resource by Google is one of the top notch resource. Of course there will be other cloud like AWS and Azure might have resources as well, which will be inclined towards their cloud. I am more fond of Google Cloud, and I work primarily on Google Cloud, so I am sharing this resource which is called as Codelabs, and I will paste this URL in the video description. You will get to understand a lot of production ready systems. If you wanted to learn in a short duration like 30 minutes or 1 hour walkthrough, then this is the resource you need. Most of them are little bit tied towards Google Cloud products, but underneath it the concept and foundation are going to be the same regardless of whether you are going to use Google Cloud products or you will be using just developing it locally. So focus on the content of it, not the exact tools which is used inside it. So for example, if you wanted to build a agentic system, or wanted to understand the a agentic system, go and filter down what are all the things you can build. You see, like build a multimodal AI agent with GraphRAG, ADK, and memory bank. So you will be easily able to understand how GraphRAG work, how those search work, how it will process multimodal, and how the memory management has been, and so on. So you can easily find out from beginner level to more advanced level content, or production level knowledge through Codelabs. This is one thing I primarily encourage my bootcamp and workshop students to follow up, so that they can keep up with knowledge in terms of production grade system building. It is not specific to AI alone, but I am more into AI world and AI engineering. That's why I am showing this. But you can find, Android development, Flutter development, and anything which Google does. You will be able to find resources in Codelabs. Check it out and let me know in comments what are all the topics which is interesting. Maybe we can deep dive into those topics later on in our videos. Thank you.